All right, everyone. So I am back again. Now I'm talking more about Descript. So now I want to start a new project here, and actually, no, I want to do a screen recording, or no, yeah, new project. Sorry, and I'm just gonna title this "Interview with Gary L." Great project. Now, here's where we can drag and drop some audio, video, and transcribe it. And I can definitely also work on I can add titles, rectangle, ellipse, arrows, comments, overdub, track, voice file. Yeah, so the thing is you can actually add a different voice or a different audio file in the background. So this is how guys like Kyle Exum have been doing it for a while. So just, yeah. And I have 1 hour and 35 minutes of transcription left. So, yeah, let's get to it. So go into your files, excellent that. Go into your files and just pick out where it was. Let's see. Give it a moment here. And I'm just going to take this. Now, you can definitely drag and drop this. Let me just readjust this here. Yeah, so you can drag and drop this in there. And now it will take a little while to do this. And yeah, your transcript will be ready in a few minutes. Let's talk a bit about and I have 48 minutes left of transcription. Thank you very much. Yeah. And then just click done right here because you know who you are. Now you'll see the audio file here, and we're definitely going to remove the utterances of the uhs, the ums, and all of that. Now, the one thing to keep in mind is that we can cut back on time with that as well. So it would just go straight through and you don't have to worry about edits as well. So just keep that in mind. So it'll seem a bit glitchy, kind of like the older YouTube edits at first, but it will be better in your presentation. So yeah, and as you can notice, I am saying a lot of uhs and utterances. So yeah, there's that. I think I'm going to pause this and we're just going to wait for this to load. So I'll see you guys back here in a few moments. Hold on. And we're going to pause this recording. Okay, we are back once again. I'm going to hide the meeting controls and just give this a moment here. And all right, so I'm going to play this whole thing for you. Now, you'll notice something here. So the cutter or tutor, let's see. And we're actually going to play this as well. Yeah, and hold on. Okay, so the one thing it doesn't pick up, like if it doesn't know how to spell it, it's not going to pick it up. And I think that's a bit of a flaw on their part. So there's that. It also just picks up on other things as well. So So this is an interview with Gary L. So there is that. And you will notice, even though I said all right, perfect, it doesn't transcribe it. So it's not always perfect. And if you are going to be writing articles, you need to make sure that it's grammatically correct as well. And you can use Grammarly or another service that provides grammar techniques. Now we're going to delete these uhs and utterances. So go here and okay. And then you're going to click remove filler words like so. Okay, and then goes down the list, go down the list there, just make sure everything there is selected and then just click apply to all. Give that a moment here. And deleted 255 selections. All right. Okay. And then you'll have the options to correct and so on. So I'm going to play the next two paragraphs. So actually take your cursor and start at the beginning. So it's kind of like, you know, going to the old, going to like YouTube and then just moving your cursor to like 00. That's how it works in Descript with the paragraphs. You just go to the beginning and you can play back from the beginning. So that is a great function of Descript. Okay, and yeah, you notice I'm not saying the uhs and the ums anymore, and there's a little bit of like that video edit that's cut off and it's automatic. So I like it. Not the not the most perfect thing, but it definitely saves me time and instead of going into like Premiere Pro and then just finding those little sections and cutting them out. So definitely right there. Now I'm going to go all the way down here. We're going to do something else. And I'm actually going to highlight this. All right. And I'm going to add a title card. Okay. And then, no, that's not what I want. Okay. All right. And I'm actually going to highlight this if I can. And I'm actually going to type like, comma, share, and subscribe. Okay, and then I'm going to highlight this again. We're going to go drop this down to, regular. No, that's not. Okay, oops, that is not what I intended to do. So, all right, highlight this again, move the font to something like this. And then we're going to just shrink this baby there. I'm going to do that and just, no. And then I'm going to just drop it right in the center. And yes, you'll see the marker there. So I'm going to play this back right here. And actually, I'm going to start here and then you'll see the transition happen. Let's. Yeah, and then you will see that pop up. So if you want to add um, your title cards at the end, just remind your viewers to like, share, and subscribe. Definitely add that. And yeah, so all right, we got that there. Um, and once you're done with this, absolutely you can publish this as well. So I'm going to click publish and export Gary V on here there. Unlisted. Anyone with the link can access it. Please do not make your projects public at all because people can definitely pick these things up. Shows transcript, absolutely. Page name, Gary L. Allow comments. Okay, unlisted. Unlisted. You can also restrict this as well. And if I were to do that, okay. All right. Yeah, and optimizing edit bounds. Okay. File. Export. Yeah. Still waiting on that. Optimizing edit boundaries. Yeah, I'm going to give this a bit of a moment here. Processing, of course. I guess I'll, let me show you a few more things before I let you go, because it's just being a bit temperamental right now. So I'm just going to highlight this paragraph right here, and there is an option, of course, as well. Audio recording is well. You can do a marker, you can do title, you can do rectangle arrow Q, and let's add an audio recording to this, and then I could just do, and then edit on, then I'll just do edit undo from here. So, okay, let's actually, yeah, let's do this. Okay. Add track. It's not what I thought at first. Yeah. Actually, I'm going to click record right here. So input, actually, no. We're going to choose what's input channel. Okay, yeah, that would be 2 channels here that you'll see. So actually, so I'm actually just going to do, yeah, 1 track here. So actually, okay, X out of that, and then you'll just have 1 track. So I'm going to do a little bit of a recording here. So stand by in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so in this section, it was sort of just not the best start, but it was still pretty good. So yeah, definitely not the most optimal, but still pretty good. All right. Yeah, your transcription will be ready in a few minutes. So I'm going to wait on this for a moment. So give me a moment. I'm going to pause this and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back again. I'm going to hide the meeting controls. Give that a moment. And okay, all right. So I'm going to play this back for you. Okay, so what I meant to say here was that you can actually add sections to it. So as well, and yes, you can put yourself on video as well. You don't have to add anything there. So it was unfortunate that I didn't put myself on camera in this section, but yes, you can actually add everything there. And of course, we can add text here as well, and then just say something like, hold on, let me just highlight this. Track, where's the title card? Okay. All right, hold on a minute. All right, I have to pause this. Yeah, so just give me a moment here. All right, yeah, not struggling here, just a bit of a technical thing. So right here, I could just add the title card as well. Just say, made a mistake. Yeah, from there to there. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So this is definitely golden. Okay, now I just need to now we just need to hit publish and oh yeah. So we're gonna do file, um uh publish. Where is this? Why won't it let me do this? Mm, yeah. All right. I'm gonna. All right. So that'll do it. Now we just have to publish this. So just give me a moment, and I'll be right back. All right. Now you're gonna come back to your. And please forgive me here. You're gonna come back here to where the interview was. So if you want to X out of that, go ahead. So just click here again, and then we're going to do file. Geez, no. File export. Where the? I just had it. All right. Okay, so you're actually going to open. All right. I'm getting ahead of myself here. I definitely apologize. Okay, so we're going to do. You're going to go to publish. You're going to. I do not know how that happened. Yeah, unlisted, and you're going to click publish. Yeah. All right. Now, you do not know. All right, I'm going to X out of this, and we're going to just run this again. I definitely apologize for this once again. So, yeah. Retrieving project, published, file, export. Yeah, so go back and do a file export. You can go to YouTube, and you can actually put this in Adobe Audition, Premiere Pro, Final Cut, Project Tools, everything, and make an audio and video out of this. So you can actually do that. So just X out of it and X out of your project, then just click on it and then go back and file export. So I'm going to export this as a YouTube video. So this is interview with Gary L. full interview, and you will definitely need to make sure that you're logged into your account. So sign in. If you are not signed in already, yeah, so see primary Gmail account, manage. I'm just going to click continue. Let's see what happens here. And now I have to go up and see this. This is going to be a while. Hopefully. Just export it as a video and for now and interview with Gary L with Descript edits. There's that. I'm going to put this in interviews. Open and save. All right, and then just go and upload that to YouTube, and yeah, you should be done. So don't go through YouTube. Actually, just keep it simple. MP4 files on your hard drive, and don't give this access to YouTube because I am a bit hesitant on that, and I don't know the ins and outs of that. But anyway, that'll do it for the video. Stay safe, stay great. I'll talk to you in the next video. All right, ending this now.